All right, let's go take a look at what's going on out here. Look at all this dirt. So you can see this is where the scaffolding is going. And it's going to go up to about that, the power lines, the thicker power lines. But he was paying attention to the way the light is shaped. As you can see right now, there is some shadows from the lines right here. All right, so I'm in the attic of the Shriver, the garret, and I'm getting ready to go out on the roof and get some pictures. Let me turn this around. So I'm gonna go out the window, I think, with all my camera gear. I'm at least gonna take one of these off and go show you what's going on. There's my head. Go show you what's going on down here. Whew. So, they're getting ready to put up some of the green screen there. But as you can see, all the dirt's down there. Some period correct spot of pots, porta potties. Oh, there's some wagons down there. That trailer, it's the center of frame right there, is pyrotechnics. This one's all the, I guess that's the grip gear, the lighting, and flags, stands. But I'm gonna get some pictures right now. But yeah, check this out. This is pretty cool.
Generators? I doubt there's an exterior power in there, right?
This one?
Yeah, doubtful. Maybe. Is it too strong for... Yeah, I'll, what we can do is, we are on the set. It's actually live. We're live. Gettysburg. That's what everybody's referring to.
It's a war drama.
It's a war drama set during the Christmas season.
Well, it leads up to the Christmas season.
It ends at the Christmas season.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I like that. Yeah, I like that. Guess I should have read the script.
So we're mostly looking from inside out, kind of voyeuristically. It takes us into the life of this family and this sort of like tense inside what's supposed to be the sanctity of your home, looking out at this battle that is destroying everything, in your functional daily life. And then how we carry ourselves into the life of the family is, coming up off the shoulder or off the soldier's feet, up into the infantry. The officers on the horses turn into a profile on the horse, up the cavalry, or the officer rather, and as he and the two behind him float by frame, we'll move into the window where we see Hannah, our lead female, and the horror in her face as she sees that there's a battle about to happen right in front of their house, and that takes us into the life of the Kelly family. So we were able to move from this impending doom into the intimate life of this family.
If we're tilted up, yeah, because this is uphill. Yeah, I know, but I still, if you're down to where the jerk stops, when you come up and tilt like this.
When the crane truck gets back,
we'll take a look.
On this little camera test, we'll just do a height check.
Totally sold on red because of the color correcting guy, and he was like, I can't wait to get up in the morning to work on this stuff.
This is like a combination between the Venice and the FX6.
Yeah, no.
Having the best of both worlds.
Yeah.
And it's put into this.
Yeah. The sensor's the same as the Venice 2, except a little smaller.
But having more of the ergonomics and certain things that the FX6 has, and only a slightly bigger body than the FX6.
Right.
If we end up going ahead and because besides one more Verano, an FX6 would be a great
B camera
and a much more budget friendly thing. So
I know, but I tell you, I'm thinking about buying another Verano. Well, I'll use a Venice 2. I'll buy a Venice 2, but I don't want to spend $92,000 on a camera.
This is, so far from what we've seen so far, really liked everything. Barry and I couldn't diving into it, but
Yeah.
you know, well, this couple of days should really tell us something. So
Yeah, will. It'll tell us everything.
it's kind of nice, like you're doing almost like a test shoot here. Sort of, with,
So it is now, I don't know if you can see that, 2:09. And this scaffolding, the other pieces finally came in. So the green screen is finally going to go up. They actually had tours here today, so we weren't able to get the equipment inside until the tour was done, which just left. The bus is right up there, leaving now. So there's the other piece going in. Out.
In the meantime, until I get the planks in here, and then we'll just roll up on it.
So the track's going to run here. They're going to do a shot going towards the window as the glass explodes, and something from the outside, I think. And here comes the camera equipment.
See that thing right here? See that right there? Yep. This is the line over there, right? No.
We can move all this?
Yes. Yeah. Abby said if we need to move the table, we can.
Most of what we're doing is going to give you this iPad.
That's not us, is it?
No, I haven't done anything. There must be
I think you had something in the way, they probably cut that one to.
Like, even the short one over there is really the right size.
Green screen is going up. Bounce it in.
Yeah, depending on what we see in camera and which direction he wants to fit. Like if there's an actress here, then we might have like, a shiny board returning sunlight back in the window. Give us a little shadow and a little break up on the wall. All right.
Like that one.
So-
That's probably far enough, isn't it?
No, you can,
Well, I mean, the board's gonna bring it back some.
It needs to go up a little bit, right?
what's that?
If
Go
you're all the
forward?
way to the window, yeah.
Yeah.
Just keep in mind, if I get too, you want to lose all the texture though, right?
Yep.
You want to lose the window entirely?
Yep.
Okay. Whoa, we're not lined up yet.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, well, let's see.
Just don't want it to get bounced while it's rolling.
There's a break on that break.
Are we gonna miss the table? Oh, good.
I can do this from this side too, which is probably better for the dolly grip.
All right.
Need to raise up.
We need, raise up and just tilt down a little bit.
Okay.
Yep. Yep.
You got a date on
Let's see. No, when they're in the cellar, we're here looking at the whole.
Yeah, the big
Right.
space.
And this, that could have that on it or candles or something, but look, because when we pull back again, the next time we pull back, it'll be the beginning of the film and there'll be a Christmas tree on there, on this table, right?
Uh-huh.
So that's what, so we're pushing in here as the battle intensifies, and then when we get to about right here, the explosion happens.
Right, okay.
And then we don't stop, we just keep moving through the explosion and the dust.
So I need to hide B cam behind that table, because the second camera angle was originally going to play off camera left there.
Yeah, if you can do it without getting the camera in the way. Because look.
But yeah, if you want to build up the B cam on hi-hat or use the adjustable.
The babies will go as low as the hi-hat, but I can tweak to the wall.
Yeah, but then they stick out over my track. Or it'll be a lower profile because it's got to squeeze into the